So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we can teach our children to vocalize alphabet. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to vocalize the alphabet V, W, X, Y, K, and Z. So I'm going to show you 3 simple steps on how to do this. The very first one, you need to prepare the material. So here I have the bags of the alphabet, and then I have the items that we can pair with the alphabet to vocalize them. So I'm going to arrange the alphabet on the table, and then I'm going to let our children to choose the alphabet, and then we will sing along the alphabet to vocalize the alphabet and pair it with the item, any item that match the alphabet. Hi kids! You can choose any alphabet that you like over here. I have W, X, Y, K, V, and C. You can take one, whichever you like. You want V? Here, V. Alright, let's just sing together. V is for violet, V is for violet, V, 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 V. V is for violet, V is for violet, V, V.